Welcome to Six Figs. I'm Kyle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the pending ecosystem explosion for the internet computer. We've already seen the cycle burn rate go absolutely parabolic thanks to one single application called blockchain on blockchain, or BOB. We've also seen the canisters just absolutely go through the roof thanks to one single application. Now, if you guys haven't really realize where I'm going with this, is that we're shedding light on the power of one single application. And this is where the Uno card comes in for Dfinity, because they are now developing what's called, or being called, Caffeine AI. Now, according to their banner, you can see that this platform is going to turn the everyday crypto user into a dev. Do you guys understand how serious of an impact this is just to the entire crypto industry? This is unreal, unseen before. Guys, when it comes down to it, the biggest barrier of entry for anybody looking to build a project that's not familiar with how blockchain and things like that work is the knowledge of coding. Finances come next. So with that said, if you don't have that knowledge to code, you can't build. If you don't have the money to hire the developers, you can't build. So if you guys can see where Caffeine AI breaks down both of these barriers, presumably. I'm not getting paid to make this video or anything like that. I'm genuinely excited about Caffeine AI and what this is going to bring to the entire cryptoverse. You guys just don't understand how bullish this is to every single crypto project. KongSwap, folks, one of the #1 dexes on the IC. I got off a call with these guys the other day. They have built up a killer UI that I don't know when it's going to be released, but you guys haven't seen anything like this on the internet computer. KongSwap is, the fastest swap. It doesn't ever break down, always works. It's really emerged as this blue chip DEX on the IC, despite the amount of heat that it received. Now, I do think that it's setting a very high bar for the ICP ecosystem, which I am proud to be a part of. So follow KongSwap at KongSwap. Now, they are doing some incredible things. I cannot wait for the stuff I've been seeing. I cannot wait for this to be released. I promise you, nobody else is doing it better. Internet computer, down 8% on the day, currently trading at roughly $10.83. We throw up the Fibonacci channels here, folks, and we are seeing the price emerge out of a Fibonacci splinter. And I've been telling you guys about this Fibonacci splinter for months and months on edge. Basically, when you have a Fibonacci channel and you have price action trading sideways, it forms usually a symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle. However, there's resistance against this lower trend line, and it creates almost like a little splinter. And basically what happens is price is forced to go up or down. Luckily, in our case, price went up. But when we look at this Fibonacci channel at a super high level, what exactly did happen? Well, we came up and we hit the 236 fib line. So with that said, we are seeing a little resistance right around this $11.80 level. So on this 4-hour chart, we are still seeing a very nice pattern emerge. We are seeing this bull pennant or possibly a bull flag form here. So it does look like on this 4-hour chart that people are buying this dip. I'd like to see a couple more candles just like this, and then maybe move up and catch up with this. Bear with me. Catch up with this 50 moving average somewhere in here to blast off to the next level. So I do think here within the next few days, by the end of the week, hopefully y'all are shilling crypto at your Thanksgiving table here in the United States and telling all your family members to buy it. Max those credit cards out, baby. But I do think that we could be gearing up to see this run up to around the $15-ish area. $15, 16 cents, somewhere in that area. And that is really a point that coincides with other previous lines of resistance. You can see this has been very heavy resistance for the internet computer to break through and even hold support above. So the last time we saw ICP hold support above this level was April of 2024. Now, I do think that we are sitting really good right now, and I'm hopeful that we just kind of pop right up over that to maybe $15, $16 and bounce and then continue our trajectory upward. I do think that internet computer, especially paired with the idea of Caffeine AI, and its hopefully release is imminent, we're going to see mass adoption on the building side of things. As Dfinity and ICP continue to work their chain fusion magic to other chains and connect all these chains together, we're going to see some really interesting stuff that people come up with. I promise you guys that. If you've made it this far, do me a huge favor, hit that sub button, like the video, let me know your thoughts about what price ICP is going to hit this next bull run. We'll see you guys on the next video.